The folk dances of Gujarat. Folk dances of Gujarat. So there are varied dance forms belonging to different communities of Gujarat. These dance forms are according to the tradition. So we are going to see the different dance forms of Gujarat. So first one is a tribal dance. This is a picture of a tribal dance. See, what is in a tribal dance? Tribal dance is done in Gujarat at the time of festivals, marriage, fairs, and to please the god and goddess. So what is the intention? So they, at the time of festival marriages, the tribal dance is performed, and most of the dances are performed in a circle. They have a traditional music, and they use instruments like drum, traditional manjira, thali, dholak, with songs in their regional language. Now there are different dance forms. In tribal there are different dance forms. So the first dance form is a chado. Chado is a dance form, and here in this chado dance form they imitate, means they copy the style of different bird, like peacock, how it squirrel and sparrow, how the peacock moves. Such kind of dance is done. Dance like Mali no Chalo, means a bird Mali, its uh, style is copied. Thakrao Chalo, they are seen in the dham. Whereas Tippani dance, it belongs to the laborers. So in the match the following, it can be asked that Tippani dance means it belongs to the laborers, and who perform it? It is mainly performed by Bhil and Kholi community. And these perform dance in Tippani dance. What happened? They use a thick sticks which are joined with small sticks to the and stuck to the ground. So a stick is there, and that stick is joined to the another thick stick, and that thick small sticks are on the ground, and in the hand there is a stick. They beat the big stick with the small stick. So this is a tribal dance. In tribal dance we can see that is a chado dance and Tippani dance. Next comes Garba, the famous one, you know regarding it. So the word Garba is derived from the word Garbati. Garbati means the earthen pot which is kept in the head, on the head of the dancers, and in Garba they move around in a circle. Garbas are performed during Hindu month, that is Asho Sud Ekam, that is the first day of the moon, to Asho Sud Naumi, that is the ninth day of the moon, or somewhere 10th day is also the Dasara is performed, the Garba is performed, that is known as a Sharad Punam, Dasam or Sharad Punam. Now Garba is performed in mostly all the part of Gujarat, and here they please the Mother Jagadamba. Who is Mother Jagadamba? Mother Jagadamba is known as the Mother of Power. So regarding Garba, there is no need to speak much, because you know it is performed in an open ground, circling in the center of the ground, and with the strokes of hands and beats of drums. Now Gujarati poetry, it is known as Garba and Garbi, in which Gujarati poem in which Garba and Garbi is there, that is linked with Krishna Bhakti. So many of the Gujarati poets like Dayaram, they wrote poem in Gujarati, and because of that, which made the ladies sing the colorful and emotional Garbi of Lord. Means in Gujarati poems, if Garba is there, means it is associated with the Krishna. So who has sung? The ladies have sing that song, that Garba, and it is in the Gujarati poetry, that is Garba. Next part is a Rasa. Rasa, it is a dance. It is also formed in a circle. And here in this Rasa, it is a story of a Lord Krishna. That is Ras Leela. And to devote to whom, that is his Bhakt, Krishna Bhakt, that is Narsingh Mehta. So Rasa is also performed in Gujarat during Navratri and Janmashtami festivals. Dandiya Rasa, that is one of the type, but some people perform Rasa by placing earthen pot on the head. Due to increasing influence of Vaishnav sect means Krishna Bhakti, Rasa has become very popular, and in that they wear a traditional dress while they dance, that is embroidery chanya choli, and men wear khediya, that is Gujarati khediya cloth, that the men wear khediya and dhoti when they perform dance. So this was regarding tribal dance. Next came garba and rasa. And which are the other dances of Gujarat? So one is Gov Guntan dance. It is performed on drum beats and tal and laya of music. Here what happened? A rope is tied on a mandap, either on the mandap or on a pillar or on a tree. A rope is tied, and the other end of the rope, it is there in their hand. One end of the rope is tied to a mandap or pillar, other end is holded in their hand. Now here they perform dance in a group holding the rope. Now when they go in a circle, so in one hand they are having rope, in other hand they are having dandiya. So they are playing the dandiya and they go inside and come outside. Like this they make a creeper like formation. One will go inside, other will come outside, and they will form a circle. So in this way what happened? One, the guntan, that is a ghat, because of that rope what happened? Guntan happens. So one will go left side, the guntan will open, then he will go right side, the guntan will be closed. Like this, with the help of a rope they dance. Next one is Dhamal dance of Siddhis. So Siddhis, where they live in Jambur village, which is in the center of Gir, and they originally belong to Africa. Siddhis originally belong to the Africa. So in this dance what they do, they rhythmically, with the rhythm is there, they strike mashira. Mashira means coconut shell, which is having earthen lamp inside, and it is covered with a cloth. So they in a hand they are having mashira. Second, they are wearing a peacock feather, and they are holding small drums in the hand. They dance with high and low pitch, means sometimes they will shout loudly, sometimes low. In the low pitch, intonations, that is ho ho sound is done, and that ho ho sound echoes in the whole forest. So normally they copy the voice of animals and bird. Merao dance, Padhar dance, and it is Koli, not Kali. Koli and Mer dance. This is another tribal dance of Gujarati people. This type of dance is seen in Stepwell of Banaskantha. Here Toran is woven with a tall grass of reeds and Junjari. So Toran is there which is having reed. This and Junjari, that is like a grass only it is. This type of dance is performed on the drum beats and sword tricks. So here they perform with the help of sword. This type of dance, it is known as a Merao dance. This Merao dance means it is to Banaskantha region. In Surendranagar also a dance is performed, and the people are belonging to Padhar community. So they dance with tal and laya of dandiya and manjira. So while dancing, Padhar people, they make a scene like a sea waves, या फिर ship is moving on the seaway. Such kind of a movement they do while dancing. And next, Koli, they belong to Saurashtra. Merao, they belong to Banaskantha. From Surendranagar, people of Padhar. And next, Koli, they are from Saurashtra. So they are having madrasho, that is a coconut on head, like pot like structure. Madrasho, that is a pot which are having a lot of shells on it, and they have a headgear. It is decorated with embroidery, and mirrors are tied here with green color embroidery belt. They wear bet, means like towel they put on their waist, they tie it in their waist to perform dance. And last, male dance of Saurashtra and other dances of Bharwat tribes, they are also well known. So this is a last dance. And last conclusion is there that many of the industries has flourished in our India: handicraft industry, painting, leather industry, so many things. And because of this, our Indian culture is very unique. So here's come the question answer. That is a clay work, very important. Leather work is very old art of India. So here leather industry you will write. Sangeet Ratnakar. Next, Kathakali dance. Explain the progress of dancing art, means here all the types of dances are written in short. Give information of Garba and Garbi. Next, diamond work, bead work and enamel work. Each and every video I have uploaded, so you go through it. Describe the tribal dance. So here last one you will write regarding Garba, then Chado dance, this Meer dance, Padhar dance, all the tribal dances you will write in the short. Each and every topic I have completed. So you go through all the videos and prepare for your exam.